In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube cannot go to channel dashboard. So in terms of if you are using the mobile app of YouTube Studios and if you're facing issues here, then in this situation what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So what you can do is simply tap and hold the app of YouTube Studios, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear data. Once you complete this step, you may get logged out of your account, so you'll need to log in back. If you're using an iOS device, you simply need to head over to your iPhone storage and offload the application. Now if you're using and trying to visit the dashboard using your web or your web browser, in this situation what you can try out is try to clear out the browser cache as well. Also, what you can do is try to remove any sort of ad blockers or extensions which may be causing these sort of issues. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then what you can try out is try to isolate the bug with a incognito mode. So you can just open up a web browser and head over to a incognito mode or a private tab depending upon the browser that you're using. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.